Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a little triangle box. It's just a nice little sweet favour box that I thought was ideal because, you know what, wedding season will be upon us before we know it. So I want to show you a quick and simple project to make. Now, mine uses a piece of paper that's 6 inches by 3 inches, which is 15 by 7.5 centimetres. However you make it, you will need your length to be twice the width. So it doesn't matter whether you're going to make 4 by 8 or what have you. So score it in the middle at 3 inches or 7.5 centimetres. So I'm just using my trimmer. And then you line it up to the halfway point across the top. So in this case, 1.5 centimetres. Sorry, 1.5 inches. Where has my brain gone? It's left the building. And I'm looking for a pen, which is going to be 3¼ inches. So, and I'm going to put a little mark with a pen at that point and at this point, so I can see those. And I'm trying to avoid getting the writing on it. What I'm going to do is I've got my cutting blade here, move that right out of the way, and I'm going to do a diagonal line from here to here where my scoring is. So from that point that I've marked with a pen down to there, hence why I'm using my trimmer. You could use a ruler, but I prefer to use my trimmer because, you know, it's here. I'll have to pop that blade out. And just do it all the way round. Looking for my score line. When that lands on my fingers, it doesn't sound very good, does it? That's better. Right. So, fold it in the middle and burnish, and then your diagonal lines, fold all of those as well. Burnish if you want to. I'm going to I love these because they take up very little paper, but they look really fabulous when they're done. Okay, so what's going to happen is 2 of them are going to hide behind the other 2, and we're going to pinch it and pull it shut there. So you put your treats in before you seal it shut, but the first thing I want to do is get holes in it. So open up one side, and it will resist, it's not going to go any further, and grab a hole punch and go through both layers, and then do the same on the other side. And I've got my thin ribbon, so this is lovely lipstick, and in through the front, or whatever you've decided is the front. Let's get that off at a sharper angle, I think. Sweeties would be very good in here. Very nice sweets inside would be perfect. Wedding and favours, you'd put almonds or something in, and it's kind of at this point that you'd put your treats in before you fully close it. As you pull it together, oh, that's not a pair of scissors, that's a hole punch. It will hold itself together just nicely like that. So I'm going to tie a bow. On the top. Lovely. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit more now, and what I'm looking for are my rhinestones. That, why are they not there? There they are. I can't see them. So I want my rhinestones, and I've got a lovely lipstick blend pen here, and I'm just going to colour one in lovely lipstick because I want that to dry for a second. So I'm just going to put that to one side and bring in Timeless Tropical, which is the paper I've used, with the In the Tropics dies, and I'm going to take this small one here piece of Whisper White. Piece of Whisper White in that stamp. Lovely lipstick. Down at the bottom there, and then of course Wink of Stella. Make that colour move around. It softens it, I think. It just makes it, it softens the hard lines, which doesn't make sense because you actually don't take any colour off the ink, off the stamped image. It just, I don't know, I love it. I just love the effect. I find it very pretty. And you just clean off your stamp like that. Okay, let's grab the big shot. So, left over from the blue the other day from my Jubilee boxes. Magnetic platform, clear plate, jet plane going overhead, and a little flower. There's loads of dies that go with it, but I love this. And twist it until it fits. There we go. No, I meant to put that over there. You keep hold of this. So I put them back straight away. Then you don't lose them. Okay, and then, oh no, I still want that bit. And I'm just going to take the thank you from here. Just this one. And then grab a clear block, line it up. And I'm lining the word you up. Back in with my lovely lipstick. I'm going to go right down at the bottom. Oh, completely wibbly. That's no good, is it? Still a bit wibbly, but we'll not worry. I'm going to trim it with my trimmer, with my little trimmer. Why is that very, very, very not straight? That's better. There we go. And then hopefully this should be dry now. So that's going to go in the middle. Yes, that's dry. Grab my dimensionals. One for the centre of my flower down at the bottom. And a couple for my word. And that is a nice little favour. And maybe you're going to have a Hawaiian luau or something like that and you want to give favours to everybody. Very sweet. I hope you like it. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.